Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and a weekend update of the TFSA Wealthsimple Trade Portfolio. For everybody that is new to the channel, I thank you. Thanks for joining. We're getting lots of great comments down in the comment section. I appreciate your comments, your suggestions, and following along the channel. If you aren't subscribed, perfect time, hit that subscribe button down below. This channel has been growing since April. It's nice to have everybody along, and if you are new to the channel, you can hit that subscribe button, follow along. It is free. Let's just jump right into the trade portfolio for the weekend. Right, here we are. We are in the Wealthsimple TFSA Trade Portfolio. This is our TFSA. We've been going since April, and we are actually doing, I'm thinking, okay, you're going to see down from a little bit of a month, but we'll see at the end here, we'll show you our all-time return. We are finally back up. Like if you've been following along the channel, you've probably noticed we are in for a bit of a bumpy, kind of a rocky couple months, I think, and the portfolio has been kind of not, I mean, we're not in super volatile stocks by any means, but there's definitely been some up and downs in the portfolio. So if you're following along, you would have saw that. But let's go through. We had actually a pretty good finish to the week. Let's just go back and just show you the week. So we actually were up 113.02%, 2% on the week, which is kind of nice to see. And our total balance, markets closed obviously on the weekend, 5537.78. We're trying to build this up to $100,000, so we are right at the very beginning, but slow and steady will get us there. Let's just go through and see how we're doing in total. We'll do the total value for the weekend update here. So BEP.UN, this is our Brookfield Renewable Partners. And we still have 6 shares of this. This one was down, but now coming back up, which is kind of nice. Where our total return, though, we still are down. We're just down 49 cents. It had a good week actually coming back up for Brookfield Renewables. We're actually up quite a bit. I almost debated kind of selling this one, but again, all these stocks, long-term play. It's very tempting, but we're in it for the long haul, and we're going to keep them. CMC, Cielo Solutions. This one is definitely our growth, hopefully growth stock. We have just 150 shares of this. We are still down 59.62%. Not the greatest, but again, long term. And I think we're going to see this one over the next few years come back up. I'm not too worried about that. And we obviously don't have our all our money in one by any means in one basket in one stock. Greenlane Renewables, this one is doing quite well this week. Over the week we were up 11.81%, which is kind of nice. So we're up $1.42, and we are still down a little bit, but we had a good return over the week, which was nice to see, down 5.39%. This is another long-term stock holding that we're going to keep in the portfolio. I think we'll see some appreciation in the next couple years. REI.UN, this one is the kind of the star of the portfolio right now. This is RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. We're getting regular dividends from this one as well. We are up altogether right now 7.89%. Kind of nice to see, 41.20. So that's nice. Total portfolio value on 25 shares is 563.25, which is nice to see. We had a decent week with RioCan. We were up 1.58% on the week. RNW, this is TransAlta Renewables, renewable energy company based out of Calgary, Alberta, and we have 25 shares. If you were following along in the channel, we did a update and I purchased 5 more shares of TransAlta Renewables this past week, so that was kind of nice. And we are still down a little bit, 1.2%, but this one has been coming back up as well. It always seems to be kind of around the $19 to $20 range for this, and regular dividends paid by TransAlta Renewable. We will get monthly dividends for this one as well. Solar Alliance Energy, this one had a good jump this week actually. As you can see here from that, we're 11.43% up on the week. This again is our long-term investment, renewable solar energy stock. It is based out of the States. They had picked up and they announced they had a brand new order for an installation, and that's what you can see is the jump in price. And of course, everybody kind of takes their profits and then it goes back down. But we are still down a little bit, 30%. But it was nice to kind of see on the week we were up a little bit, which is nice to see for Solar Alliance Energy. We'll just kind of leave that one on the back burner. Slate Office Real Estate Investment Trust. This one is our office real estate REIT, 33 shares. We kind of buy this one continually. It's always kind of around the same price, $5.15 to $5.30, and we will get regular dividends on this one. I actually had a dividend come in just before the weekend. We had $1 come in, so we'll see that on our balance. We'll be able to put into reinvestment next week. Total value 172.92, but we are down a little bit, just 0.98%. That's fine. $1.71. We've kind of gotten that back on a dividend, so not too worried about that. We're going to hold this long term to get its monthly dividends. Telus, again, up and down, finished the week 27.96. We had actually a decent, I think, week, up 1.49%, which is okay. We have 15 shares of Telus, total value right now, $419.40, down just a little bit, 0.15%. And our two ETFs at the very end, VDY, Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield ETF. And we had a good, I think, okay week with this one as well, up 1.75%, closing off the week 41.97. And we are up on this one 6.79%, which is nice. It would be nice if all the stocks were up 6.79% altogether, or we had everything in VDY, but that's just the way it goes. So we were up 35 shares, 1468.95 is our total, and nice return, 6.79%, 93.34. And our last but not least, VFV. This is the new Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. We started purchasing a couple of weeks ago. We are up to 16 shares of this. I purchased some more this past week, and you saw that in another video. And we're back up a little bit, 0.10%, but it's nice to be in the green. Total return so far, 1.60%. I think this one, we actually had a nice, not a bad week, up 1.36%, which is okay. And I think if you're getting this stock, it seems to be, and from what I've read from the comments, if you're getting this under $100, it seems to be not a bad deal. So our average price, 98.11. We did pick up a couple on, we'll scroll down here, we can see it on October 13th, 96.17. So that was kind of nice to see our portfolio and stock price going up instead of down. So let's go through, we showed you the week here, obviously, so we can go back to the day. This was on Friday. I'm filming this on Sunday. On Friday, we were up $40, which is nice. It's nice to always see it up for the day. On the week, I think it was a good week, 113.02, which was kind of nice. The jump from this one was, a lot of it was the Greenlane Renewables going back up, which was kind of nice. And then on the month, we are down on the month so far, 0.04%, 219. I would say we're call that even for the month, which is good. For 3 months, down 1470, 0.26%. Basically still kind of even for that. But if we go to the 1 year, we haven't been going for 1 year. We've only been going on the portfolio since April 1st, but we are up 1505, so 0.27%, and that's going to be our same as all time. So it's nice to be in the green as always, and I think with the way the market is going, we're starting to kind of build our base of our portfolio, and to be even just a little bit in the green, I think we'll be primed when the market starts to go up again. Hopefully, we'll start to see this increasing for a long-term all-time profit on the portfolio. All right, thanks for watching the update. If you have any questions, let me know down below. As I always kind of like to say, I am not a financial planner, but I'll do my best to answer any questions you have. If it's about Wealthsimple, using the trading app, I'd be happy to help you along if you're new. If you are new to using Wealthsimple or want to give it a try, I always like to mention as well, we do have, there's an affiliate link down below. If you do sign up, they have a promo going right now where it changes from time to time, but right now you will get 3 free stocks if you sign up through my link down in the description. So if you wanted to get started, you can get started for as little, you can put in $10 and you'll get some free stocks. I think up to, you get 3, but usually I think it comes in around $25 that you'll get to be able to trade on your stock, but you might luck out and get a real good stock. So who knows? Thanks for watching, everybody. If you aren't subscribed, again, please consider subscribing. It really helps with the channel. I'm trying to build the channel to 500 subscribers. I would love to see the channel grow to 500 subscribers by the end of the month. That would be pretty awesome. So if you aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you all in the next video.